be the curve of the total Bitcoin supply, right? So I mean, starting in 2009, we're mining, then we get to the first halving. And if you notice on the halving, the slope of the curve changes. So when you go from here, you hit this point, and then the curve changes again. And then you come here, you hit this point, the curve gets a little bit less steep. And then you come here on the third halving, the curve gets even less steep, and that will continue because again, at this point, we have 19.408 million Bitcoins have been produced since 2009. They've been mined since 2009. And if you look at this equation right here, it's a summation equation. There's 32 halvings total. They generally happen every 4 years. This all, when you do this math out, it comes out to be 21 million. 21 million is significant because that's the total number of Bitcoin that will ever be produced. So if I'm saying that we're at 19.4 million, that means 90-something plus % of the Bitcoins have already been produced. The miners have already sold them to the general public and whatnot. So basically, long story short, there's not that much Bitcoin left to be produced. And that's going to leave us in a very interesting space. The reason that's going to be so interesting is because we're going to go from being supply dominant, where there's a whole bunch of Bitcoin on the market, to demand dominant. And once it's demand dominant and you have very low supply, then at that point, price just skyrockets because again, people can't get their hands on it. So we're looking at it this way. So I'd say all the way here, we've been supply dominant, and you see this curve getting less and less steep. Eventually, it's just going to flatline essentially. At that point, we're not producing